strong push to the downside, pullback, and strong push to the downside. Before the pullback, we need to find the child wave that is self-similar to the mother wave. So, downtrend, pullback, push to the downside. Before the pullback, I need to find right here something, okay? I need to look for this structure in this area right here. So, what we can see in this area, we can see that this uptrend in this way is self-similar to this one. Check. This is what I'm looking for, okay? And then I have strong push to the downside. So, the origin or the initial place of this strong push to the downside was from here, okay? So, in this case, this will be a child wave and this will be a mother wave. So, we are not going to break these levels right here. We are going to break this high. So, right here, it's very clear. We have the self-similarity. We have the same scale. So, we'll go to break this high right here, okay?